Hi guys, it's Yanni from Yiannimize, and we always get asked, do you have any job vacancies? Well, today, Yiannimize is hiring. If you want to work here, you need to watch this video. We've decided not to go down the conventional route and open this up to everyone. So we've come up with the Wrap Job series, sponsored by Avery Dennison, BMW Park Lane, plus our partners, DeWalt, Nielsen Tools, Juicy Detailing, and Epidemic. So if you think you've got the potential to wrap with the best, keep watching. You don't need to be an experienced rapper. You may do it as a hobby or part-time to earn some extra money. We're looking at this as a great opportunity for someone that is incredible with their hands, has a great eye for detail, a passion for cars, and may want a career in a rapidly growing industry, car wrapping. You may be a painter and decorator, a stylist, an artist, a carpenter, a window cleaner, a masseuse, a shoemaker, or none of the above, and believe this is just for you. We're the best and we're looking for the best. The eventual winner will get elite specialist training at Avery Dennison Graphics Centre, Milton Keynes. That's if you get the job.
To enter, shoot a video of yourself, maximum 30 seconds, with why you are perfect for this job. Feel free to get creative, but do not go over 30 seconds or we won't watch it. Then submit the video along with the form on yiannimize.com/thewrapjob. Link and all info in description too. To enter, you have to be over 18, able to work in the UK and available in London on the 3 weekends we're filming over November and December.
If you know someone who'd be perfect for this, be their hero and let them know. Good luck. Watch, I'm going to start, it's going to go again. Ready? We've decided not, or none of the above. Go on, Chris, go. Guns in my
But this is actually recording.
Don't punch me, yeah? It's a wrap!